Have you ever stopped to think how often you express gratitude? In a world where negativity can sometimes feel overwhelming, it's time to shift our focus to something truly powerful: gratitude. Imagine unleashing the incredible force of gratitude in your own life. This is not just a fleeting emotion, but a transformative mindset that can shape your entire existence. It's the key to unlocking happiness, contentment, and fulfillment. By embracing gratitude, we open ourselves up to new opportunities, deeper connections, and a heightened sense of purpose. Let's explore how gratitude can revolutionize our lives, no matter where we are or how old we may be. Now let's dive deep into the science behind gratitude and its powerful effects. It might surprise you to know that gratitude isn't just good manners, it's also good science. Diving into the world of neuroscience and psychology, we find a wealth of studies that illuminate the profound impacts of gratitude on our minds and bodies. For instance, research conducted at the University of California, Berkeley, discovered that grateful people tend to have fewer aches and pains and feel healthier than others. It turns out saying thank you does more than just brighten someone else's day, it can boost your own health too. But the benefits of gratitude go beyond the physical. Let's take a journey to the esteemed halls of Harvard University, where researchers have found that gratitude can dramatically improve mental health. By focusing on what we have, rather than what we lack, we can redirect our minds from negative emotions to positive ones. This shift can reduce feelings of envy, resentment, frustration, and regret. Simply put, gratitude helps us to foster happiness and reduce depression. And the good news doesn't stop there. Gratitude has also been linked to reduce stress. A study conducted by psychologists at the University of Miami revealed that those who wrote about things they were grateful for felt more optimistic and better about their lives overall. They also reported fewer visits to doctors, indicating lower stress levels. But perhaps the most intriguing aspect of gratitude is its influence on our overall well-being. A study from the University of Pennsylvania demonstrated that people who wrote and delivered a letter of gratitude reported significantly higher levels of happiness for a month. That's right, a single act of gratitude can make a difference for weeks. It's not magic, it's science. Gratitude rewires our brain, triggers positive emotions, and leads to a happier, healthier life. It's a simple yet powerful tool that is accessible to all of us, regardless of where we are or what we're going through. So it's clear that the science backs up what many of us instinctively know. Gratitude can dramatically improve our lives. Now that we understand the science, how can we incorporate more gratitude into our lives? Well, cultivating gratitude doesn't require grand gestures or massive lifestyle changes. It simply requires a shift in perspective and a commitment to a few daily practices. One of these practices is keeping a gratitude journal. This doesn't have to be an elaborate diary filled with poetry. It could be as simple as jotting down 3 things you're grateful for each day. It could be a warm cup of coffee in the morning, a kind word from a colleague, or a beautiful sunset you witnessed. The point is to consciously acknowledge the good in your life. Another practice is expressing gratitude to the people around you. This could be thanking your partner for their support, telling a friend how much you appreciate them, or even expressing gratitude to a stranger for a small act of kindness. Expressing gratitude not only makes the other person feel good, but it also reinforces your own sense of gratitude. Finally, take a few moments each day to reflect on what you're grateful for. This could be done in the morning when you wake up, during a quiet moment in your day, or before you go to bed. This practice can help you focus on the positive aspects of your life, rather than dwelling on the negative. Remember, the key to gratitude is consistency. Practice it daily, and watch as your life begins to change. Expressing gratitude isn't just a nice thing to do, it's a powerful tool for improving your life. These are tangible strategies, backed by science, that can truly transform your life. See how it strengthens our mental health, fosters resilience, and enhances our general well-being. It all starts with something as simple as saying thank you. If this content has helped you, we ask you to comment, share, like, and subscribe. Until next time, keep cultivating gratitude and watch your life transform in ways you never thought possible.